What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to deposit using bank transfer on XM Broker. In order to do this, we're going to make sure we're on our XM account and logged in, and at the top you can see deposit. You can also see deposit here with your standard real account. However, you can go ahead and click on the deposit button right here, and there will be some funding options. You have deposit, which is where we're supposed to be, and you have your deposit methods. In our case, we're looking for the bank transfer option. Here you have online bank transfer. We're going to click on it. And of course, it's important to read these instructions as they contain rules and guidelines for depositing. After doing that, you're going to scroll down to where you have your bank name, deposit amount in your local currency, and the deposit amount in USD. You're going to click on the drop down to select the option that is available for your local transfers. And after selecting that, you're going to put in the amount you want to pay in your local currency. You will see the equivalent right here in USD. So for example, if we click on the drop down, select Sterling Bank, and then here put 50,000, you can see the deposit amount in USD. Then of course you want to click on the checkbox right here and then click on deposit. There will be another reminder right here that each invoice should only be used once, and there are some other reminders here. We're going to scroll down, and then here you have deposit funds online bank transfer, and this is the account, the amount in your local currency and in USD, and then you can click and confirm. Once you click and confirm to proceed, you will be taken to a page or a pop-up where you'll be having an account number and details to transfer the funds into your XM Broker account. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to deposit using bank transfer on XM Broker.